Alright, the sun's coming up in about an hour and 15 minutes. I've been up since 2 a.m. It's 5:15 now. Can't sleep, so I might as well go do some fishing. I like the beard. It's for a project I'm working on, so I have to grow it out. Anyway, it's dark out. Let's go catch some fish. Alright, first stop done. Got me some bigs. Little sunflower seed spitting for the fishing.
Push that grocery cart down the aisle, left front wheel wobbling crazy wild. Oblivious to the sound it makes, humming to herself some country red.
Well, I'm out here first light, and water temp's 84. Really clear. Never seen this little reservoir this clear before. I'm at about 4 foot of water right now, and gonna kind of paddle around, use the helix, and see if I can find a creek channel or some low spots, and find out where these bass are gonna be hanging out in this hot weather. Gonna do topwater for a little bit. I'm getting pretty close to halfway across this reservoir. And it's still 4 feet deep. When I hit the middle, I'm going to head up towards the dam and find some deeper water. Alright, I just crossed over a shelf, dropped me down into 5.5 feet of water, so I'm going to fish this little spot real quick. Alright, got fish on it. I lost it. Oh, how did I lose that? How did I lose that? There you go. So they're out here in the deeper water. Doggone it. Alright, fish on. Now we got some players. Now we got some players. You're a pretty nice looking fish right there. Topwater bite, y'all. Ah, fantastic. All right. Now, I'm not seeing a bunch of fish on the fish finder, but man, I'm sure finding them right here. Shoot. If I'm not mistaken, I just got hit right there by the yak. Yeah, fish on. Fish on right there. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, oh yes. Oh yes. Yes, 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 yes. Oh. Got me hooked too many ways to Sunday. Got my shirt hooked. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at this monster. Oh. Alright, now, if you've seen my other videos, you know that I geek out sometimes. I get pretty excited when I catch a fish. It's a little bit bigger than what I've been catching. And this one was about 3 times what I just been catching, so I get excited. What can I say? Oh, crapola. Oh, I gotta get a weight on this guy. Gotta weigh this guy. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Come on over here. Come on over here, you monster. Oh, look at this. This is just crazy topwater fun. This is just a little popper. It's one of the H2O brands from Academy. And I'm having a great morning. There we go. Oh, slaying them this morning. Oh, baby. Let him go back. Oh, yep. There he goes. Oh, what a morning. Yes! Oh, he's a little guy with a lot of fight. Little guy with a lot of fight. Look at that, he got foul hooked. Oh, here you go. Look at that, he got foul hooked. Let's get him free and clear here. Here you go. Scoop. No, you're not hooked anymore. Yeah, I don't know if you saw that, but he tried to come right back in the boat. Oh, this is silly fun. Oh yeah, fish on. Fish on, baby. Oh man. There we go. There's another one. There it is right there. That's what I'm getting him on. Little rattler. What a day! What a day! Are you ready? You got me. You got me. There you go. Oh man. Gorgeous, just gorgeous. Wow, another beautiful fish. Yeah, baby. Wobble, wobble. Oh, epic, epic, epic. I probably got crap all over my face spitting sunflower seeds. That's it. That's the little bad boy right there. Put my hand here so you can see it. It's, oh, I can get it at Academy. Yeah, baby. So in this hot water, I just used that Helix, the 5, and found those little pockets, and I'd fish them and drift over them with the wind, and I'd paddle over there and I'd do it again. That thing helped me locate these fish when they were holding this hot Texas weather. Well, I had a great time. Now, there weren't a bunch of big fish, but there were a lot of fish. Went into Topwater. Man, that's just good fun. And that little popper right there, it was just knocking them dead. Had their number. So it was an epic morning for me. You know, catching fish is always epic. When you get to catch that many in that short of time before you have to go to work, well, that's all right. So y'all check me out online. Like, subscribe, do all that stuff. See y'all soon. Yeah, baby.